Good day, everybody. Today is June 9th, 3:33 Eastern Standard Time, my time, New York time. So let's get into what I want to show. Okay, so here we are. This is the first time I've seen so much red on Yahoo Finance real time. Gold is down, all the markets are down, even oil is down. All the Forex is down except for the USD Japanese yen. All the crypto is down, and Nikkei was up last night. So this is going to be the story moving forward, I think, and I hate saying it. It's been a very bad year for a lot of people. People have been losing money over the last few months since the start of this year. So you can see all that red there on Yahoo. So I'm going to show you what I've been working on for the last 6 months, and it's working out really good. These have been verified by a CFA, a large bank, 7-digit portfolio manager, top 5% portfolio manager in an in-house family office within the bank. Okay, so this is one of them. This is a new trading basket I put out. Here's the cumulative return. Now, I realize a lot of people think that's kind of ridiculous. So what I've done is I'm going to start focusing more on the Sharpe Ratio. I would imagine if you know what Sharpe Ratio, you're fairly sophisticated. So right here in the blue is our latest trading basket. The yellow is a standard benchmark of the S&P 500, and it's been really negative. You can see here negative 0.08 Sharpe for the benchmark, but the trading basket just generated 2.76. You would be well paid if you're able to consistently generate that within a bank. Okay, 2.76 for the Sharpe on this. So here's all the typical stats on the tear sheet. I think charts speak louder than words. So here's the return for this year on this particular trading basket. Right up over 400%, as I said, year to date, man, I don't know, 472%. It's pretty incredible. Now, here's what I also do really want to have you pay attention to is when this started to perform well. So this started to perform well at the beginning of the year. As you can see here, 600%. There's some drawdowns, but it does quickly recover. This is kind of a similar movement when Bitcoin was doing really well. Here's the monthly moves. Okay, so it had a very negative November, but usually you probably start piling in around December, and definitely this year with a 58% return. In January, February, not so strong, but this is what really matters because it's the 8th of January. We're already at 24.63% return for this. Now, with that kind of momentum there, you know that this is a very strong portfolio basket. Now, there's a reason why I don't put these instruments out there, is because quite simply these are valuable. Okay, I've spent numerous times. I did a webinar last Monday that I think there's one person showed up. That clearly tells me that nobody has an interest. Meanwhile, they are losing money, and as I said, others are losing millions of dollars in this. And we haven't even talked about inflation, how that's going to eat into your savings. We now have a severe recession coming, and layoffs. I think this particular headline was because of the job market. Okay, I'm noticing a lot of companies are laying off. The job market's not looking good. So in terms of job stability, it's just not going to be there. Okay, I hate to tell you that. So what's the point? So a couple of things. If you'd followed this over the last few months, you would have done fairly well. Over a month, you probably would have doubled your money between February and early March and April. If you did May, you would have done fairly well with the same strategy, knowing how to time it with just one, of all things, cryptocurrency, and being able to keep it in your own infrastructure, we should call it. All right, so if you want to know more, just visit quantlabs.net/banking. Your future may be riding on it. I'm going to be putting out an offer for people that want to know more about these trading baskets and build a trading community off that, and being able to build out trading bots to help you generate these on your own. But my process seems to work really good, as I said, from a CFA. So you know, I don't know what more to tell you, okay? But if you really care about keeping your money, preserving it, yeah, you want to definitely get in on this, quantlabs.net/banking. Fill out your info, and we do not, or I do not, resell or release your info to anybody as well. Just so you know, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.